Hey guys, Ramiz here from Basant's Kitchen. Today we're making shrimp biryani. I have a really cool recipe that you guys can follow, and I'm gonna teach you some really cool tricks. So let's get started. Go over the ingredients really quick. We have 3 glasses of rice, washed and soaked. We have oil, 1.5 cup. We have 1 cup yogurt, 1.5 bunch of cilantro, 3 onions cut, about 7 plum tomatoes chopped, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, and black cardamom pod. The king of the show, we have about 3.5 pounds of extra large jumbo shrimp, and all the rest of the spices, like in all of my other videos, I'm gonna put them in my description with the spice count and the measurements. So let's get started, guys. It's gonna be a cool recipe. Start off with about 1.5 cups of oil. I'm gonna let it get really hot before we put the onion. Add the onions really quick and saute them. So while we have the onions sauteing, we're gonna prep the shrimp. About 3 tablespoons of oil. You don't have to season it a lot, just a little bit. About ½ teaspoon of salt. A little pinch of turmeric. And a little bit of garam masala. Very tiny bit. A little drop of garlic ginger. And a little bit of lemon. I'm gonna write all these measurements down in the description so you don't have to worry about a thing. And you just mix it in. Trick with rice is you have to wait for the first boil. Got it? The rice has to be done almost all the way, but not quite. Let's put it on done. Just get all the water out. Now let's put it on dum. Add yogurt. Then add garlic ginger paste, about 1.5 cooking spoons. Add all the seasoning at the same time. Saute it. Now that we have all the ingredients in, now you let it cook on medium-high heat and let everything break down and the oil separate till it becomes paste. Make the shrimp. We're gonna put down about 3 tablespoons of oil. So now we're gonna cook our shrimp, but you don't want to cook it all the way. You just want to do like a flash saute kind of thing. A few seconds on each side, and then we take them off. So you don't want to overcook them because they're gonna go in the masala, and that's where they're gonna finish cooking and take all the taste from the masala that we're making in the other. So we're gonna flip them on the other side. You see, they're cooked partially. It's gorgeous. After that, they're gonna go in the masala. Shrimp is ready. We're gonna put them in our little bucket. And once masala is ready, we're gonna add it to the masala. And we're gonna layer the biryani, and that's it. We'll take the shrimp out of the pan, and we're gonna put them in our collection bucket. We're gonna let it rest for a little bit, and then we're gonna add it to the masala, layer the biryani, and finish the recipe. So the masala is almost ready, but it's not quite there yet because it has to be completely dry. Right now, this is the deceiving part, you see? Tomatoes are still kind of a little bit solid. You need to cook it down completely so there's no kind of moisture left. And oil is completely separated. The masala is completely ready. This is the consistency you want. Has gorgeous color. Oil is completely separated. And now, the trick I showed you guys, we are gonna separate the oil because oil we don't need anymore. Oil did its job, and we're gonna get rid of it. We're gonna keep the masala before we add shrimp. And that's Basant style. Now we just add shrimp in the masala. And you turn the pan off because you don't want it to overcook. And just very gently and kindly mix it in. That looks amazing. Guys, masala is ready. Now we're gonna layer the pot and we're gonna finish the recipe, Basant style. We're gonna layer the pot, the rice down. Wow. Color is gorgeous for the masala. This is it, guys. Biryani is ready. You can see the color is gorgeous. The size of the shrimp is awesome. My masala is out of this world. Let's break. Wow, look at the grain of rice. That's Basant style. So there, guys, the biryani is ready. The color is gorgeous. The consistency is perfect. It smells amazing. The shrimp are done 100%. Now to my favorite part. Let's plate and finish this recipe. I'm gonna put some lemons, my favorite. I'm gonna put the raita and the cucumber I made earlier. It's my favorite salad. My dad used to make it. Now for my favorite garnish, dry parsley. Break everything up. This is it, guys. The recipe is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed it because I had a great time making it. It's simple, it's awesome, it's Basant style. So please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll get you guys next time.